Okay, let's do some experiment. For example, let's run this for 100 epochs. As you can see, what epochs means. Epoch is the times that the network is run, the neural is run, and it do something like this. For example, we can solve easy question. I will tell you about this question if I have time. But the thing that this model is doing is going to optimize the model every time it's run. Okay, let's go to our paint. I don't really like it, but it's the best we have. For example, some of you, let's see, what the size? Okay, let's say we have a XY Excel, for example, and this is the Z. If the X1, Y1, Z1, X0, Y0, Z0, X1, Y0, Z0, X0, Y0, Z1. Okay, how we can predict Z from X and Y? Let's say we have a 2 neurons neural network. Let's say it's 1 neuron, 2 neuron, and this is all we have. And then we have, okay, this function as the list. Okay, what we do, for example, let's give it the number at first, 1, 1. The weight are 1 at first. Let's say the weight are 1. If the weight are 1, it gives us 2 that we don't like. Because of that, this makes the weight less. What it do, it makes the weight lower. How? Let me, it can't be any bigger. It can. Oh, it's good. The paint is good. Better than I thought. Okay, let's say let me create it another time. Let's say we gave the number 1 and 1. It makes change the weight to this number. Okay, and then the answer is going to be 1, and it's right. Okay, then it's going to fit the model for the next numbers. What is the next number? 0, 0. Let's say it's going to do this. Okay, it's 1 and it's 0. It's going to give us this number. It's approved or not? Some of you must say approved or not. Okay, let's see what another one give us. Here it give us also this number, but when this number have been come, it give us what? It give us 0, and that is wrong. Why? You can predict also the 0 is not right for this number. Okay, then it's gonna change the another time, change this weights. How it's going to change this weight? It's going to make some weight minus, for example, some minus and some not minus. Okay, but we have a really big problem. What is the problem? The problem is every time we are going to use a weight here, these three are going to have a value, but this last one is going to have don't value. After some time of running the model, the weights are going to change by mathematical solutions. The model is going to set the weight to something like this, 1 and -1. And then what happened? If we make the neural network like this, what happened? If we go to our xy's, let's say z, x, y, what it's gonna give us? First 1, 1, 0, 1, 0, and the last one is 0, 0. What it's gonna give us? Here is 0, here is 1, here is -1, and here is 0. And in this neural network, the function is going to change 0 to 1 and anything else to 0. Anything. That is the way our neural network works. It's a quick review on how it's working. Until next day, have a good